Hello students, today we will study Earth as a planet. Out of the 8 planets of the solar system, the Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. Earth is considered as a unique planet, as it is the only planet where life exists. It is neither too close nor too far from the Sun. The Earth's right distance from the Sun is one of the most important factors that makes life possible on Earth, because the Earth is situated at an average distance of about 150 million kilometers from the Sun, which is just right to maintain a moderate temperature here. If the Earth had been closer to the Sun, the temperature here would have been too high. All water from the Earth's surface would have evaporated and life would not have been possible. On the contrary, a greater distance of the Earth from the Sun would have made it too cold for life to survive. Existence of atmosphere is yet another factor which makes life possible on Earth. The temperature here is also neither too hot nor too cold. That is, the Earth is neither a burning furnace nor an extremely cold planet, because of its average temperature on the surface is 17 degrees Celsius, far more favorable for living conditions than about 500 degrees Celsius on the nearest planets and about 150 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius below freezing point on the distant planets. Now let us study the realms of the Earth. Earth is composed of 3 main parts: lithosphere or Earth's crust, that is land area, hydrosphere or water bodies, atmosphere or envelope of air that surrounds the Earth. Lithosphere. The layers of rocks on the surface of the Earth is called the lithosphere. It is the source of all minerals, which is the most important factor for human civilization. The lithosphere makes the Earth a terrestrial planet, which means that the Earth is a solid crust which provides a soil layer, an important factor for growing crops, which in turn supports all forms of animal life either directly or indirectly. Hydrosphere. Water covers about 71% of the surface of the Earth. Due to the abundance of water here, the Earth is often called a watery planet. When the astronauts landed on the moon, for the first time they saw the Earth as no one had ever seen it before. It looked blue in color due to the presence of water. Thus, the Earth is often called the blue planet. Water is present in the Earth's environment in all the 3 states. In the liquid state, it occurs in water bodies. In solid state, it occurs in the form of snow and ice. It also occurs in the forms of water vapor, which is gaseous form in the atmosphere. Water is essential to support life in various forms. Besides being a prerequisite for life on Earth, water also helps in keeping the temperature of the Earth moderate. Water keeps human beings, animals as well as plants hydrated. In fact, it is believed that the earliest forms of life on the Earth evolved in the oceans. Atmosphere. The presence of atmosphere around the Earth is the most important factor making life possible on the Earth. The peculiar composition of the Earth's atmosphere makes the Earth a living planet. The most important elements are oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is needed by all organisms for respiration. Nitrogen helps in keeping the atmosphere cool, and it is also one of the most important nutrients needed by the plants. Carbon dioxide, it is also necessary